The Dynablend Clean High Power Home Blender is the perfect blend of high performance and clean materials. Not only do you have more power and control than a regular home blender, but also the peace of mind knowing that it's constructed with better materials. The Dynablend Clean uses high-quality, clean materials like glass and stainless steel to completely minimize your food's contact with plastics found in most other blenders. The blade assembly is constructed of all stainless steel, and combined with a beautiful, heavy-duty tempered glass pitcher, you can be sure that everything you blend will be safe from chemicals and plastic. An intelligently designed stainless steel utility scoop allows you to easily add ingredients and stir your ingredients while they're blending to get perfectly smooth results. And you never have to worry about the scoop touching the blades, so you'll always be safe. Its 1.1 horsepower motor with a maximum speed of 23,000 RPM powers through all your toughest blending jobs. Dynablend's 3 pre-programmed buttons bring you the convenience of blending how you want, when you want, all with the push of a button. A 60-second blend mode lets you know exactly how long you'll be blending and shuts off automatically even when you walk away to multitask. The revolutionary 30-second pulse mode uses great blasts of power in small increments, providing just the right amount of blending for your soft foods like bananas and avocados. By allowing the food to settle between blasts, fewer air pockets are created, reducing oxidation and preserving maximum taste and nutrition. With just one touch, the 60-second combo mode combines the benefits of the pulse mode and ends by blending, helping you not only power through tough ingredients, but keeping oxidation at a minimum. When you want total control while blending, the variable speed dial lets you choose the right setting to get the exact texture you want from your sauces and smoothies. The Dynablend Clean is also simple to clean. Its health-conscious construction with glass and stainless steel means that leftover residue will come off easily, and that nothing sticks or stains like you get with plastic. A 10-year warranty ensures that you will be blending for many years. Its combination of high performance and clean materials lets you focus on making great tasting smoothies, sauces, batters, and more, all with greater peace of mind.